and we are going to go towards Hampi to lunch at a spot which is really very adorable. Guest house, and we are going to have some South Indian style lunch. Rice and this. We are so happy to be here. This is amazing. We feel like we are in a Flintstone world with stacks of stones and the paddy fields and coconut trees. It's just wow. But going towards the Sugriev's temple, and from there we'll go explore some of the caves and be back for the night coracle ride. Now we have to climb some more steps. It's crazy climbing so many steps. Also very tiring. Let's do it. Oh, we are here. That's sweet. Look at him. He is savoring one nice coconut. There are a lot of monkeys out here. And secondly, there is a nice tree with a lot of bags tied next to it. Look at the tree. Oh my god. Everybody ties one bag with wish of fulfilling it. And that's how there is so many bags on that tree. Check out. So I got lost and these guys just left me and went away, and I had to climb that whole goddamn mountain and I was completely alone over there and nobody even came searching for me. It was so bad. And then eventually I saw Nandan somewhere. He was just walking down and I heaved a sigh of relief. Oh god, it was a very scary place. Though it was a godly place, but still, it was a very scary place.
We built this city. We built this city on rock and roll. Built this city. We built this city on rock and roll. Say you don't know me, I recognize my face. Say you don't care who goes to that kind of place. Knee deep in the hoopla, sinking in your...
Hello again! We've come to see some very minuscule paintings. It is like deep within, and there's nobody inside, so it's going to be a little tricky. The others are not trusting me at all, but I know that's a nice place to go. Hi paddy fields! Do you see that hole? It's inside that. Yes!
We'll wait for them. The cow paintings and a huge snake. The only thing is the snake is too huge, or it's been drawn too huge.
Okay, Nandan's going to show us where is the snake painting. Show us.
This is a snake painting. It looks to be dated pretty back. Yeah. Looks to be prehistoric.
Yes.
एक second look. The snake.
That's the
That's
snake.
the snake. It
With
goes
the-
up till there
Yeah, with
this whole pooch.
This is amazing. And the view is simply beautiful. That's why I have come to Hampi for the second time. Good morning. We are the second day of Hampi and we are going towards the ferry to have some breakfast and then go ahead with our cycle tour. So this is the Hampi Island and you'll find a lot of people out here. Please. No, thank you so much.
All information.
I have it already. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. I have already. I had come last time, so I took it. Decomposition charge.
डिकम्पोज होता ही नहीं.
Oh my god. कौन सिगरेट पीता है यहाँ पे?
When I walked in through the door, I saw your face. When I looked into those eyes, there was a change in space. And that moment sparked the start of our bliss. You held my gaze until that first kiss. Sometimes life can make you fly around, but I know the truth will keep me on the ground.
I am really sad because I have a very bad pimple on just top of my head and it's going to really spoil all my pictures and videos for today. Oh god, why did it have to happen to me? It's okay. So you'll see not most of me today, but you will see a lot of Hampi for sure. And the next stop is a Ganpati temple.
The front side Ganesha, back side is a Parvati.
This is the Krishna Bazaar. This is one of the oldest bazaars in Hampi. Just imagine this huge bazaar right up to that tree line, the coconut tree line. That huge bazaar.
The next stop is the Narsimha statue. There it is. Here is the Narsimha. This is made up of a single monolithical statue with the belt and the eyes, recently restored by the government of India. I'm simply amazed to see that statue. This is really amazing. The Lakshmi Narsimha statue, some call it Ugra Narsimha. Aren't the statues here in Hampi amazing? I mean, every ruin that you see just talks about amazing history that India has had, and I really feel lucky to staying here and being born in India to see something which I don't have to travel so very far off to see this place, but at the same time, it is so culturally rich, and I feel so proud. Now the second stop is a monolithical Shivling. There it is. Let's go.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಹಾಶಿವರಾತ್ರಿ ದಿವಸ ಹೌದು 365 ದಿವಸ ನೀರಿರ್ತದೆ ಮಹಾಶಿವರಾತ್ರಿ
Yay! We are cycling on the roads of Hampi. It's super duper driving. Oh, it's crazy. Oh. Oh. But it is so soothing. It's really soothing. Next stop, Queen's Park. The Queen's Park. This is something that I really detest. That is so wrong. Really not done. This is so wrong. That's the outlet for the fresh water, and from there the water would pass. The same water would be used for irrigation purpose because it would be reused and then let out in the gardens. Nandan, how are you feeling? Let's go and take a bath.
I don't mind to have a bath at the Queen.
You need a bath terribly.
दासियों पानी भरो हम इधर बात लेगा अभी का अभी अब कर
And he's This is the King's Palace. Now what has remained is just the base. Where is the wall? The walls have all eroded over a period of time. And we are tired. We are going to sleep now. It is really tiring. I have no strength left anymore now to cycle or to walk.
So this channel, why for this direction? Underground, something is there.
There is our guide explaining. He is really good. Close to 20 years just guiding about Hampi and the ruins, and his passion can be seen from the way he speaks.
When I walked in through the door, I saw your face. When I looked into those eyes, there was a change in space. And that moment sparked the start of our bliss. You held my gaze until that first kiss. Sometimes
I have first time seen cats and dogs staying together. Don't miss to come to the Laughing Buddha Cafe. Until then, let's enjoy the view and we can have some nice coffee, and I have my Kindle along with me and my glasses so that I can indulge into some nice reading, because that's what Hampi is all about, just slowing down and doing not much. So how did you like Hampi?
What's up? I like it. I really liked it. Actually, I fell in love with it.
Even I did.
It's a hippie historical magic, if I can term it. Or in the words of a very beautiful writer, which I just heard from Mount Ugair, it's every rock here has its own story. listen to that story and then come and talk to me.
Yeah, that was amazing, right?
That's the dialogue I really wanna talk to each and every rocker. Learn from them,
So
learn from their
many.
mistakes.
Yeah,
Move
because
on.
stones are something which stand the time.
Yep.
So go ahead and speak to the stones of Hampi and tell them your little secret and be assured that they will
Secret
keep your secret all their lives.
in their tummy. In their tummy.
And believe me, they have like these big tummies.
Very big time.